Hi everyone, I have a fun activity for you this week. This week we are going to do a candy cane taste test. So for that you're going to need the 3 candy canes that I sent to your house. Now, first things first, we need to decide who in your house is going to participate in the taste test. So in our house we decided it was going to be Miss Sanchez, Mr. Sanchez, and then my 2 biggest boys, Daniel and Nolan. So that's 4 of us. That means we're going to need 4 pieces of each candy cane. So what we're going to do to get those 4 pieces is we're going to just break the candy cane before we unwrap it. So I broke this one already because I got 1 piece there, 1 piece there, and a piece here and a piece there. So we have 4 pieces of each candy cane. You have your peppermint candy cane, your cherry candy cane, and your blueberry candy cane. Each person is going to get 1 piece of each candy cane. And then that's the fun part. You get to taste each of them. So you can eat each piece of the candy cane and decide which one is your favorite. Now, how are we going to track it? This is important. So what we are doing, you're going to need a piece of paper or use your dry erase board. And we're going to write down, you can have a grown-up help you with this, peppermint, cherry, blueberry. So you decide which is your favorite. And when you've decided, you can put a tally mark. My favorite was the cherry, so I'm putting a tally mark by the cherry. Nolan, what was your favorite candy cane? Was it the peppermint, the cherry, or the blueberry? Was it this one?
The peppermint.
Nolan says his favorite was the peppermint. So I'm going to give a tally mark at the peppermint. Then I'm going to make sure to ask Daniel and Mr. Sanchez. I'll be right back while I ask them. Okay, I'm back. Daniel said his favorite is blueberry, and Mr. Sanchez said his favorite is peppermint. So then you're going to decide which one was the favorite in your house. In our house, it was the peppermint. For 2 votes, everybody else got just 1. You can leave me, you're going to fill out a Google form that is in your assignment to tell me which was the favorite in your families and then which was just your favorite, because we're going to make a class chart also. Have fun! I can't wait to hear which is your favorite.